Guys, special report here. I heard that there was a new strain of diarrhea that has been making its way across the globe. Diarrhea kills 4% of the world's population every year. Okay? 4% of the deaths in the world are contributed to diarrhea. And 5% suffer from existential health problems that arise from the gastrointestinal infection. Now, many of these occur in the developing world, as they like to call it. I like to call it the third world, because it's not being developed, right? It's been being sacked, raped, and plundered for years, and the population's tested on, plunged into eternal civil wars, where multinational corporations go in and buy up everything on pennies on the dollar so that they have access to all the nation's resources. And then those companies, they put the worst of those countries' people in power to further divide the people and bring in Marxist, Leninist, communist socialism to these countries. They were destroyed a long time ago and never had a chance to do anything. Mostly because their leaders back in the day plundered all of their fortunes, i.e. trying to find the golden city of Timbuktu. You ever read that story? So they had to sell their own to the slave trading ewes. They had to sell them to the shipmasters, the privateers. Okay? But besides getting on that topic, because I just wanted to preface with that so people don't think that I'm not thinking about those children who mostly suffer from the intestinal problems because they haven't figured out how to get those people running water, right? Flushes, toilets, sinks, right? They haven't figured out. They haven't seemed to figure that out, that basic hygiene and healthcare would take care of a lot of those problems, right? Because it's happening in the poorest areas, okay? Right? So anyways, back to the lighter side of this video. This problem, 4% death rate from diarrhea, okay? So you know what that tells me? That tells me that we need to ban every product, anything associated with stool softeners. You need to dump out all that Metamucil. You need to get rid of all the rib and Chipotle backyard barbecues, right? All the Chipotle restaurants. Chipotle's over. Okay, no more Chipotle. You've got to get rid of any product that is a poop inducer. Okay? Chipotle's banned. Today, Chipotle's banned. No more remembering Dumb and Dumber, the scene where Jim Carrey had a massive laxative-induced dump. That's done. No more remembering that. These are memories of the past that are not allowed in the current climate of thought. Okay? There will be no more. Okay? So, as a safety precaution, people will be required to wear diapers, because whether you're symptomatic or asymptomatic, these things can come upon you quite quickly. And depending on your age group, it can affect you very quickly. And it can happen in any age group. Technically, anybody can fall victim to the mud butt. Furthermore, as a further safety precaution, as to wearing diapers, we will also be requiring people to no longer sneeze. You must hold all sneezes. And I know this can be difficult and also uncomfortable by times when you just want to let that sneeze out. But it'll be far more uncomfortable for you if you let that sneeze fly and something lets loose in your pantaloons. Okay? So, stay home, wear a diaper, don't sneeze. That's the rules of engagement. 2 weeks to flatten the spray. Out.